Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, as the week ends, the Australian dollar still remains somewhat weak and still looking towards the region somewhere around 61.70, 75 as the bears still weigh on the market. But technically, we could see a bounce very soon from that region and look back towards 62 or on towards the 60-day moving average, seen somewhere around 63.5. I feel the market's getting very close to the bottom of the range, and I'm keeping an eye on this pattern in case it's an inverted head and shoulders that could project and move beyond the 60-day moving average and onto 64 cents. Turning to the euro, the market was somewhat weak, but nevertheless still finding support roughly around the lows of 103.5. I feel the bulls may take a step back into the market and look for the challenge on towards 104 to 104.5 to 105. I don't want to get too negative here. This apparent pattern still somewhat can turn bullish. So I still heed caution just in case we see that develop into a rally, as I mentioned, maybe to 106. The bears are continuing to weigh on the support when it comes to dollar yen and still looking for the target around 153.5. I feel the market may actually trigger stop losses and see a decline heavy down to 149 and reassess. Sterling still remaining somewhat lackluster, but nevertheless, keeping an eye on these technicals, I do believe since the break of this broad trend that we may see a rally to 125 to 126 and reassess. Wrapping up with commodities, but it's all cheers as the bulls take the market back to 2,800 and still looking for a further climb, with a broader case talking around $3,000 for this year. Nevertheless, there's a little bit of bearish divergence that could see some profit taking from 2,800, but overall the market will probably find anywhere from 2,750-60 bargain hunters to return. And wrapping up with oil, the market took a stab at that 72 and rejected. I'm keeping an eye on this pattern here as the market may stage a rally now onto 73 to 75 after being neutral for a few days. Overall though, as long as we maintain above $72 a barrel, we may see this rally develop to 75 and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, about the interest rate report, and I hope you enjoy the great start in the new weekend.